Greetings everyone, greetings everyone. This is Get Motivated Daily by PL Mjani. Let me welcome you to today's video, and then please subscribe and keep on sharing. Today we just want to talk about something else, a very important issue that is happening in our current time. It may seem as a minor issue, or should I say it may seem as a minor problem, yet it creates greater problems, yet it creates greater burdens in other people's life. In this time of age, or in this time of generation, or in this time of present current time that we are having, I've seen a lot of people who are digging the past, or should I say who are using the past to surpass the current time with what happened in the past, or should I say who are using the past to surpass current time in terms of power, or in terms of ownership, or in terms of battles. There are a lot of people who are using the past to battle against the present time. There are a lot of people who are using the past to come against the current time. Yet the past has so many mistakes, yet the past was not matured enough than the current time. Yet the past, at some point, in as much as it was matured at its level, it is not necessary unless you are learning from the past and we are using wisdom and knowledge to surpass the current time. But what is surprisingly, in most cases, we have so many people who are taking the past towards the current time, and they are finding it difficult to overcome it. When they have taken it from the past and brought it to the future or to the present time, they find it difficult to surpass it, or let me say they find it difficult to conquer it and to have strength over it. Or should I make an example based on this? In families, we have people who are using the past in this current time to fight certain individuals, or to be against certain people's opinion in their family. But what's so surprisingly is that in as much as they have brought the past, they have forgotten to learn from the past. The same mistake that happened in the past, they are repeating them in our current time, and it has become more difficult. It has become a greater burden because it carries the present of the past and the present of the current time, yet no one has enough power to conquer it with wisdom and knowledge because of their decision. It is so surprisingly in our days what people are doing. But I have an advice, or should I say an opinion based on this. It is not necessary in other cases, it is not necessary in other situations to bring the past to the current time to use it, or should I say to make it as a formula to surpass the current situation that you are facing, unless you are well versed in wisdom, you are well versed in knowledge, you understand how they have failed in the past, and you understand very well where you should take it and which side you should use. In so many families in these days, and in so many relationships, I would like to say there are so many conflicts, and there are so many people who are not agreeing on one mind because of the past that is affecting them, because of what they have heard from the past. Not to say or not to understand very well why should the past be dig for the current situation, while the current situation is carrying new things for the current future. Why not use the current things that are placed right in front of you as weapons for the current situation, than to bring the past as weapons towards the current situation with its burdens that no one can bear? It is so funny what is happening in our days. There are so many people who are holding grudges against each other because of the past, yet no one has power to reverse towards the past, that the universe or the earth towards the past, and fix those mistakes. In as much as you have brought the past, you must be able to be wise enough to identify the mistake that they did in the past, that you may not repeat them in towards the current time. Be vigilant in this current time of such kind of people that are using the past against their current time, or so should I say the future. Be vigilant, be smart, be well versed in knowledge, and be well versed in wisdom. Be able to discern such kind of a character in human people who are affected by the past, yet they are continuing living into the current time or in towards the future, but they are carrying the burdens of the past, which they should have laid down long time ago, and then they should have cut themselves from those burdens so that their journey can be easy. Be careful of such people, because they are carrying burdens. Before you fight them, you should understand what kind of a person you are facing. So I would advise people in our days that they should make sure and they should understand that the past is not to be brought to the future unless you are bringing the knowledge and you are bringing the wisdom for survival towards the future, not bringing the wars of the past towards the future. You should understand when you go to the past what you are bringing. If it's not solution, if it's not wisdom, if it's not knowledge, and if it's not clarification, it should not be brought towards the current time, because it is there to destroy, it is there to break, it is there to bring grudges and wars towards the current time. I hope so many people understand what I'm saying and they learn from such mistakes for their peaceful life and for their joyful life. As you'll be watching this video, what I want you to understand is the present and the future and the past, and then you should be able to identify using wisdom and knowledge and understanding what should be done towards the current time. As you do so, may you be blessed and may the hand of the Lord be upon you. Remember, this is Get Motivated Daily by PLM Jali. Stay motivated, stay towards the lamb and stand firm, and then may lies be conquered and truth be told. Be blessed.